You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the cabin HEPA plus cabin filter that you can find in the video description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You can now access the cabin filter, which is located on the upper left of the engine compartment. Take off the engine cover. Pull on the cover located on the left, under the windscreen bay in the engine compartment. Take out the filter. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
There are 3 types of cabin filter. The white one are for pollen, while the black ones are for active carbon. The first one is used to stop dust, while the second one will also filter out smells and gases. There is now a new generation of filters on the market. Perflux has developed cabin HEPA plus cabin filters, which filter out virus-sized particles and offer 50 times the protection of traditional cabin filters. The choice is yours. Put the new one in place, taking care to get the right direction for the flow of air. The arrows should point downwards. Replace the cover. Reinstall the engine cover. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.